Ready to level up your animation game and unlock a secret weapon used by professionals? Let's dive into the essential technique of onion skinning in Adobe Animate, making animation creation a breeze. First, open Adobe Animate and create or open your animation project. This tool is crucial for seeing the previous and next frames of your animation, helping you map out movement. Now let's locate the onion skin controls. They're usually found in your timeline panel. Look for an icon that looks like two overlapping sheets of paper. That's your main toggle. You can either click the first one or choose a specific number of frames. To see the magic happen, click on the onion skin button. You'll usually see ghosted versions of your previous and next frames appearing on the stage, so you can use those as a guide for your current frame. By default, the tool picks the frames that are around your current one. You can also control how many frames are visible with the onion skin ranges. There are little bars you can adjust to change the amount of frames to see before and after the current one selected. And you can also control the look. Navigate to the properties panel and adjust the color or opacity of the onion skin frames to suit your style. Experiment so it doesn't distract you from the current frame. With your onion skin activated and adjusted, you can now carefully map out your animation frame by frame with the help of the ghosted frames. Now you can create more fluid animations with ease.